Joann from Craft Me a Card, and I love crafting for the crafter, and that is you. Okay, so for today's card, I'm going to try to do it live. Well, not really live, but I'm not going to do a voiceover, so I'm going to try to do it in real time for you guys. Okay, so first, my recommendation when you're about to start a card is pick out something that has a pattern and something that is solid. In this case, I want 2 layers because I want to take advantage of this beautiful paper that I got out of this Cavania London. It's a boy, and this is a beautiful paper pack. It's like premium, and the pages are very nice, and it has beautiful images. I've been after this paper pad for a while, but it was too expensive, and I took advantage of an extra 20% discount that Joann's was having if you picked up items in store. So I said, why not? Order them online, pick them up in store, and get an additional 20% off. These were like originally almost $30-some for this pack, and then I got 50% off, and then on top of that I got the 20% off. So yes, I'm quite content I was able to get this. Always be on the lookout for sales and specials like that. So I wanted to use this paper pack, and I want a double layer. So I decided to grab this one piece. Since they're double-sided, I decided to grab this piece and use these 2 sides. But since it's a boy, I wanted to incorporate some blue. So I am going to be matting 2 layers here. First, it's this one, and then this one. So first, I'm going to grab my solid color and cover my card base with it, just like that. And I like to use my X-Acto knife to do this. So I just go around the edges, laying the crafter's knife a little flat. Okay, so once I have this cut, I need to decide what layer is going to go first. So I want this to be seen because it's such a cute image. So I'm going to cut this a little smaller than my solid layer. And just by leaving a little border around, I go ahead and with the pencil, I come in just that much on this side so I could trim it. And then just that much on this side so I could trim it here as well. So that'll give me a nice little border. Put it there to where my other line is and trim away. Okay. So then on this one, I'm going to go ahead and use this same one for my top layer here. Yoo-hoo. And I just go and cut, because this part is not going to be seen. So out of this piece is going to be the next layer. I'm just going to even it out. So this is going to go like this, and I'm always measuring. I'm always making sure I've got the right dimensions and the right look that I'm going for. Okay, so I am going to cut the inside piece of this one. So that's gonna go like that. Super cute, okay? And I do want to incorporate these shoes. So I thought that would be cute just like that. I know I want to incorporate it's a boy as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything on that piece of blue cardstock so I could cut it all at once. And then just secure it. Alright. And I see that it's a boy. Didn't cut all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and put that back on. Make sure it's well in its place. And cut it out again. We got our sentiment. It's a boy. I mean, the invitation was blue, so I'm guessing it is a boy. Better be a boy. My little dot. Put glue on the edges of this. So I just want that little piece. I'm cutting this. Okay, so that's one shoesies. I'm going to do the next. So then we have our little strap. Just going to go there. I'm going to pop it up. Just like that. Make sure it's at the same level. I have my 2 buttons here. Too cute. My little button is going to go there, and the other one's going to go there. Just dip this in a little bit of glue, pick it up, and place it. How cute. It's super tiny. Super adorable. Okay, so grab my glue, just go around. Okay. And okay, go ahead and put that frame on. And this is going to go there. Let's paste this. I have been wanting to use this ribbon for the longest time, so I think, okay, first I'm going to do. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so this is a corner chomper. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That. Bring it to the back. Glue. Glue, glue, glue. So let's go ahead. Glue this down. Glue it right in the middle here. Nicely done. I'm gonna add some glue here. Stick that down. Then it's a boy. My shoesies. This It's a Boy has an outside. I think I'm gonna cut that out. Cut it out and wait. Put it on some tweezers. Grab my glue and just add glue on it. Place it. Dot there. Bring in my eye. It's a boy. Oh boy. I'm gonna stick it on some foam adhesive. Okay. So yes, my loving hubby came in the room and we started talking, and I completely forgot I was trying to record this video without having to recruit to voiceover, so I had to use voiceover anyway. So I apologize for that, but I just got caught up talking to him. So what was done in this last step was just grab some foam adhesive to pop up these little shoes, and I just applied some liquid glue to them as an extra security measure. I decided to add a little bow to the card, and just by doing my little bunny ears method here, I create this little bow. Cut the ends at an angle. Don't forget to burn the edges now to avoid any fraying. I attached the bow just with some liquid adhesive. You know, you have to let it dry, but it sticks pretty well. And that is my card, everyone. So this was a slightly different video for me. I wanted you to see a little bit of how I work in real time. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. As always, I hope you get inspired. I hope you create and be happy. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell to receive notices every time I post a new video. Like and comment. I love comments. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Goodness gracious, goodness gracious. Oh, gosh. Oh, what the heck? Ah, oh my, this is good glue. Yeah. Ah, wow. Having a child. Dang. Ah, I found the trash.